baby cow says moo, moo, moo. It loves to munch on grass with you. It's called a calf, so soft and sweet, with wobbly legs and dancing feet.
The piglet plays in muddy fun, rolling around beneath the sun. It oinks and snorts and wiggles its tail. A happy piglet never fails. Baby animals, small and bright, snuggle close and sleep at night. Soft and furry, cute and new, singing and playing just like you.
The baby sheep is called a lamb. It stays close by its gentle man.
It ba-ba-ba says and runs and hops through grassy hills and flowery crops. A tiny chick goes peep, peep, peep. It scratches the ground then falls asleep. With fluffy feathers, yellow and small, it chirps and cuddles through it all.
A baby horse is called the foal. It gallops fast, that's its goal. It shakes its mane and neighs with glee. Come and run along with me.
A baby goat is called a kid. It jumps and skips and sometimes hit, with little horns and happy bleats. It's always dancing on its feet. Baby animals laugh and play, learning something new each day. On the farm or in the zoo, they love to sing and play with you.
A duckling waddles left and right, fluffy and yellow, a happy sight. It splashes around in a little pond of water games, it's very fond.
A puppy barks and gives a lick. It loves a game of fetch or stick. It's loyal, bouncy, full of cheer, a furry friend to hold so near. Baby animals, we love you, from piglets pink to ducklings blue. Thanks for coming, thanks for fun. We'll meet again.